The 4-inch 4K dashcam with dual lenses, a high-performance car DVR camera designed to capture Ultra HD video footage. Equipped with dual lenses, Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS, night vision, and WDR, wide dynamic range, technology, this dashcam provides advanced features for real-time recording, detailed footage, and enhanced safety during day and night driving. Wide dynamic range, WDR. WDR technology helps balance the exposure in different lighting conditions, ensuring that both bright and dark areas are captured with optimal clarity. This is particularly useful in situations with challenging lighting. 4-inch 4K Ultra HD. The dashcam captures video footage in stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, ensuring clear and detailed recordings for documentation and analysis. Dual lens design. With dual lenses, the dashcam provides both front and rear views simultaneously. This comprehensive coverage enhances overall safety by capturing events from multiple angles. Enhance your driving experience with the 4-inch 4K dashcam, offering dual lenses, Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS functionality, night vision, and other advanced features. Whether for daily commutes or long journeys, this dashcam provides comprehensive coverage and high-quality recordings for added safety and peace of mind.